Alright. Hey, so we're back again. I'm going to show you guys a really easy way to start sweet potatoes with slips. I see a lot of questions about how to start start sweet potatoes. And the really cool thing about sweet potatoes in Arizona is that they grow all through the summer. The summer does not mess with these plants. These plants can power right through 120 degree day, no friggin' problem whatsoever. So I bought this sweet potato back probably in February. And all I did, wow, this thing is really stuck in there now. That's funny. Yeah, that thing is really stuck in there. Look at that root ball. But all I did was do like you do like an avocado. Stick some toothpicks in the side of it. There's an old toothpick right there sticking out of the side of it. Still got the little frilly end on it. Stick your toothpicks in it, put it in a jar of water. Of course, you're not going to go back in there. That's okay. We're going to break you up. But you stick your toothpicks in there, put it in a jar of water, it'll start rooting. Pretty soon, it'll start sending out, let's see, it'll start sending out little runners like this. Okay, that is your slip. Okay, so all you got to do, take this slip. Oh yeah, you're stuck in there good. This looks brutal. There we go. Alright, busted that guy off. Look at there. There's the roots. Here's the plant. It's about 2 feet long, 3 feet actually. It's been hanging over the side of the counter, so the duck's been chewing on it. Take that slip, put it right there in another jar of water. Okay? Let's see what else we got here. Bust another piece off. Oh man, this thing is really root bound. Alright, we just made a mess. That's okay though. Here's another slip. Okay, there's the roots. There's the thing. We stick it in this jar of water right here with its little buddy. There we go. And it looks like we got one more. Well, here's a little one here. Here's a little one. That one's actually 2 feet long. Stick it down in here, in this jar of water. I got one more here. This thing just totally took over the camera. That's all right. We got one more here. There's another. There's a blue toothpick still stuck in there. Look at that. That one's about 3 feet long. And stick the potato back in the water. There we go. This one, yeah, this one's long. I'm going to shove it in here. Let's see what we got here. Get them in there. Now, it seems really hard on the plant. It is, but these guys are so tough. It's not even funny. Put them back over there. What do we got here? It's like another. Here's another root slip that fell off. Nothing wrong with that. Stick it back in here in the water. You know, keep them hydrated. Oh, here's a fun one. So, here's one with no roots on it. Right? Oh, what are we going to do? It's got no roots on it. Well, to be honest with you, you peel these 2 leaves off and you stick that in the ground. And you know what? Just for fun, I'm going to stick it in the ground over here. And see what happens. And let's see. Got a wet spot. Alright, I know that took a while. Hopefully I can trim that out. I'm not good at video editing, but what I did is I took it. I got a volunteer tomato in here. and I took it and I just shoved it in the ground right there. I'm going to water it a little bit, kind of help it along. We're going to see what we get out of this thing by the middle of summer. Anyways, that is an easy way to start sweet potatoes. You can see this guy's all cleared out now. He will put out more sweet potatoes. And I've got these guys back here, which I think I'm just going to spread around the garden. Just because they'll probably do just fine. I have some I've already started out back here. Probably do a video on that later. But sweet potato slips, super easy to start. You don't even need the root ball. Sometimes you can just come, cut this branch off here, stick that in the ground, right time of the year, and it'll produce a sweet potato plant. So I'm not a big sweet potato eater, but what I do like about them is their greens. These leaves and salads are very good. And what I do also love about them is their ground cover. They cover the ground like Bermuda grass. They'll cover everything up. They will power right through the summer, and it's a great little crop. Even if you don't like eating sweet potatoes, you can eat the leaves off of them. There's not a darn thing wrong with them. So thanks for watching. This has been Aaron at Booyah Farms.